say the alphabet. M makes the sound of
L makes the sound of Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. M makes the sound of
L makes the sound of Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. M makes the sound of
L makes the sound of Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. M makes the sound of L makes the sound of Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. M makes the sound of L makes the sound of Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. M makes the sound of
L makes the
sound of
Sing this song so you
don't forget
how to say
say the
alphabet.
M makes the
Sound of